Hello, good viewers. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. So now from here we have this exponential equation. So this is a beautiful Olympiad question. So here we want to solve for the value of x. We have 2 to the power root x equals 8 to the power x. So now what are we going to do when you have this type of question? So what we are going to do here is that you know that we can rewrite this equation as 2 root x 2 raised to the power 3. So this 8 here can be written as this because 2 to the power 3 will actually give us 8. Then we have the power here. And don't forget when you have this a to the power b and the c. So now the power b multiply the power c. So we're going to have a to the power b times c. That is, we have bc. Right? So now from there, we're going to have this to be 2 to the power root x equals 2 to the power 3 times x. We have 3x. So now from there, we see that we have the same basis, 2, 2. So that what you're going to do is that we are going to equate the exponent. We have root x equals 3 to the power 3x. So now we need to get rid of this radical sign. So now by doing that, I'm going to square, okay, both sides. Okay, if you square the both sides, you see that this will be like this, squared, then you square this one. So by squaring, you can see that this square, we cancel this. We have x equals 3 squared, because this power will affect the two entries we have here, then multiply by x squared. So now from there we can see that it will be x equals, we have 9x squared, right? So now from there we can see that this is going to be, we can rewrite this equation like having 9x squared, okay, minus x equals 0. Then we try to factorize x out. We're going to have x to be x into bracket 9 minus what? 9 minus x, sorry, 9x minus 1 equals 0. So now from here we can see that x equals 0. That is, this is 0 form equation. So x is either be 0 or 9x minus 1 equals 0. So now from there, so we have x to be equal to 0, right? Or let me put it this way, right? So x equals to 0 is one solution. So here we try to solve this one further. We have 9x equals 1. Then we divide both sides by 9. This we cancel this. We have x to be equals 1 over 9. So we have the two solutions, x equals to 0 and x equals 1 over 9, okay, to be the solution to the equation given to us. Okay, so that is going to be the end of the class, but we can actually check whether we are right or not. So picking our two values of x, you have put this down, so I can erase this and let me put. So now from here, if I put when s equals 0, so 2 we have 0 equals 8 0. So everything here will be what? Will be 1. Okay? Will be 1. So it means x equals 0 satisfied. Then when x equals 1 over 9, let's see. 2, the square root of 1 over 9 equals 8, 1 over what? 1 over 9. So now from there, you can see that we have 2. The square root of 1 over 9 will give me 2 raised to power 1 over 3 equals here 2 raised to power 3 1 over 9, and this 3 we have to multiply this. We have 2 to power 1 over 3 equals 2 to power 3 here, because 3 times 1 over 9, that's what we are going to have. So 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have 2 1 over 3 equals 2 1 over, no, 3 here, 3 in 9 is 3, 1 over 3. So you can see that we have the two sides equal. So therefore, that is a check. So it shows that we have the two solutions to be x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 9. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.